A very powerful statement has just come from Iran. And ladies and gentlemen, it is sending shockwave through the global politics. Iran now openly is talking about partnership with Russia, and that too right in the middle of a tense confrontation involving the US and Israel. Well, the message from Tehran, it is crystal clear. The relationship is real and it is not something Iran is trying to hide. Welcome to Times XP's war coverage. And Iran's foreign minister, Mr. Abbas Araghchi, addressed growing speculation about Moscow's involvement in the conflict. According to an international broadcaster, Araghchi said that Iran's strategic partnership with Russia, it's not a secret. It has kind of existed for many years now. According to him, the two countries, they cooperate in several areas, including politics, economics, and security matters. In fact, his remarks come at a time when tension between Iran and the US and Israel also, they are extremely high. I have a question. Why is this statement important? Because intelligence officials in Washington, they have recently suggested that Moscow might be helping Tehran with information related to the United States military position in the Middle East. Such information, it could potentially help Iran track the movement of the US aircraft, US warship, their bases in the region. While Araghchi did not directly confirm that intelligence sharing is happening, but he did say that Russia has been assisting Iran in many different directions, hinting at broader cooperation behind the scenes. Ladies and gentlemen, this partnership did not appear overnight, of course. Over the past few decades, Iran and Russia, they have grown closer for strategic reasons. While both the countries have worked together in regional conflicts such as war in Syria, where they supported the Syrian government against the armed opposition group. Also, their economic ties, they have expanded. Both the nations face sanction and pressure from the Western countries. And yes, at the very same time, Araghchi tried to calm the fear about Iran's missile program. Though some analysts in the West, they have raised concern that Iran might be developing long-range missile capable of reaching the US. However, the Iranian foreign minister, he rejected the claims. He said Iran has deliberately limited the range of ballistic missiles and that the country's weapons are meant mainly for regional defense rather than long-distance attack. But still, the timing, that is raising the eyebrows, and that too across the world. The Middle East is already witnessing missile launches, drone attacks, in fact military strikes involving multiple countries. So if major powers like Russia, they become more deeply involved, even indirectly, then the whole conflict could expand far beyond the Middle East and it will have global repercussions. In the end, what we are seeing right now is not just regional confrontation anymore. It is slowly turning into a larger geopolitical contest where superpowers are aligning with different sides. And every new statement, every new alliance, it is shaping the balance of power in the Middle East.